Hello my dear students, welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session we will discuss the remaining exercise questions, that is now exercise 10.2 question number 1. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is. We have to find the radius of the circle. In this question, 4 options are given. Option A 7 centimeter. Option B 12 centimeter. Option C 15 centimeter. And option D 24.5 centimeter. So for this question, first we have to draw the figure. So according to the question, we can draw a circle first with center O. Okay. Then in the question it is given that from a point Q, the length of the tangent of the circle is 24 centimeter. Length of the tangent means from the point to the point of contact. So here the point is Q, from Q. So this length of the tangent QP is given as 24 centimeter. Okay. Then it is given that the distance of Q from the center. Distance of Q from the center is given as 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Then we have to find its radius. Its radius we have to find. That means OP we have to find. So from the theorem 1 we know that the tangent to the radius is right angle. So this angle OPQ is right angle. So consider the right triangle OPQ. By the Pythagoras theorem, we get OQ square equal OP square plus PQ square. That is 25 square equal OP square plus 24 square. Then OP square equal 25 square minus 24 square. That is equal 625 minus 576. That is equal 49. So OP equal root 49 equal 7 centimeter. So here the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So the correct option is option A, 7 centimeter. Now exercise 10.2 question number 2. In figure, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with the center O, so that angle POQ equal 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to. Here also 4 options are given. Option A is 60 degree, option B is 70 degree, option C is 80 degree, and option D is 90 degree. Figure is given in the question as a circle with center O and two tangents TP and TQ. TP and TQ are the two tangents. O is the center and the angle POQ. This angle is given as 110 degree. So according to the question, this is the figure. So here we have to find the angle PTQ. This angle we have to find. So as theorem 1 we know that radius to the tangent to the radius is right angle. So this TP is the tangent, this OP is the radius. So tangent to the radius, this angle is 90 degree. Same way tangent TQ with the radius OQ is also 90 degree. So angle OPT equal 90 degree and angle OQT is also 90 degree according to the theorem 1. Okay. Now we know that OQTP is a quadrilateral. 4 sides are there, isn't it? So it is a quadrilateral. So by the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we know that sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle OPT plus angle OQT plus angle POQ plus angle PTQ equal 360 degree. Then we have to substitute the values. OPT is 90 degree. OQT is also 90 degree. Then POQ is given as 110 degree. Then we have to find angle PTQ equal 360 degree. Now 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 110, 290. Okay, so 290 degree plus angle PTQ equal 360 degree. Then transpose 290 and get the value of PTQ as 360 minus 290. That is equal 70 degree. So angle PTQ equals 70 degree. So the correct option is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Now exercise 10.2 question number 4. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. This is the fourth question. Here we have to consider a circle with center O and AB is the diameter. Then we have to draw the tangents at the ends of this diameters. So A is the point of contact of this tangent PQ and the point of contact of the tangent XY is B. Okay, other end of the diameter AB. Now we have to show that this PQ parallel XY and it is, according to the theorem 1, we know that OA is the radius, A is the point of contact, PQ is the tangent, A is the point of this tangent 2. So by the theorem 1, we know that this is 90 degree. Similarly, this is also 90 degree. Okay, then in the same way, OB is the radius, B is the point of contact of this tangent XY. So by the theorem 1, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. But here in this question, we have to prove that these two lines are parallel. So we have to consider co-interior angles, alternate interior angles, corresponding angles and all. But here it is not useful of the corresponding angles axiom. So we have to consider alternate interior angles or co-interior angles. So here I consider angle PAB and angle YBA. When I consider this PQ and XY are two lines, AB is the transversal, then angle PAB and angle YBA. These two angles are 90 degree. So angle PAB equal angle YBA equal 90 degree. Here we already know that up to O. YBO, XBO are 90 degree. PAO and QAO are 90 degree. So when we extend this to B, then also this angle has no change. So PAB and YBA, these two are 90 degree. So they are equal. Anyway, we can consider, here I consider these two. So these two are the alternate interior angles when we consider PQ, XY and the transversal AB. So alternate interior angles are equal. So by the converse of alternate interior angles theorem, what we can say? This PQ parallel XY. This PQ parallel XY. Hence it is proved by the alternate converse of alternate interior angles theorem, we get PQ parallel XY. Now exercise 10.2 question number 5. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. For that we have to draw a circle with center O and radius R. Okay. So anyway, this is the circle. Then we have to draw a line AB which is perpendicular to the tangent. Which is perpendicular to the tangent. This is the line AB which is perpendicular to the tangent XY. B is the point of contact. Okay. This is the line AB. Now we have to show that this AB passes through the center O. AB passes through the center O. This we have to prove. It is given that this AB is perpendicular to XY. So we know that this angle ABX equal angle ABY equal 90 degree. ABX equal angle ABY equal 90 degree because it is given that AB perpendicular to XY. That means this line perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. Then here we join OB. So this OB is the radius. OB is the radius. B is the point of contact of the tangent. O is the center. So this OB should be the radius. So by the theorem 1 we know that this radius to the tangent is right angle. So we can write this OBY is also right angle. That is OBY is 90 degree. This OBY is 90 degree that we get by theorem 1. This ABY is 90 degree because it is given that AB perpendicular XY. So when we consider these two angles, this sum will be 90 degree, 90 plus 90. Isn't it? Angle ABY plus angle OBY equal 90 plus 90, 180. That means supplementary. So it is linear pair. Okay, supplementary. So converse of linear pair axiom. Linear pair axiom. Converse of linear pair axiom. What we will get? Angle ABY and angle OBY make linear pair, are linear pair. ABY and OBY are linear pair. So we can say that A, B and O are which type of points? Collinear points. Are collinear. Collinear means on the same line. That means the line AB passes through center O. Passes through the center O. Okay. So here we got ABY and OBY. ABY and OBY are linear pair. That means A, B and O are the collinear points. So AB should passes through the center O. Hence it is proved. Now exercise 10.2 question number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So according to the question, we can draw the figure a circle with the center O. Then from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center. Okay. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm means from the point A, the distance of the center is 5 centimeter and of the circle is 4 centimeter, means this is the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent is 4 centimeter. So length of the tangent is 4 centimeter. So this is the point of contact. So this length from A to this length, name is not given, so we can give any name. So the length of the tangent AB is given as 4 centimeter. Distance from the center to A is 5 centimeter. Length of the tangent is given as 4 centimeter. Then we have to find the radius OB. So we know that radius to the tangent or tangent to the radius is right angle from the theorem 1. So this OBA is right angle. So when we consider this right angled triangle, then by the Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal OB square plus AB square. So 5 square equal OB square we have to find. OB we have to find. AB is given as 4. Then OB square equal 5 square minus 4 square, that is 25 minus 16, that is equal 9. So OB equal root 9, that is 3 centimeter. So the radius of the circle OB is 3 centimeter. That's all for today. The remaining questions of exercise 10.2 and the theorem 2 will discuss in the next session. So thank you and have a nice day.